Over the last few years, the social context for businesses has changed significantly. Companies are realizing that positive societal impact needs to be at the center of a strategy, not just a check the box for compliance purposes or a marketing claim. Investors, employees, business partners, and societies at large are increasingly expecting companies to simultaneously drive profitable growth, sustainability, and inclusion. Companies like Synopsys, we are actually realizing that sustainability and inclusion are also good for business. They create new growth opportunities, and also they deliver tangible benefits for our customers that are sources of new competitive advantage. And also they help attract the best talent in the world. That is why in 2021, we introduced our Smart Future agenda. This is a holistic approach that defines how Synopsys is going to drive positive change for our employees, partners, and also for our local communities and our shared environment. And we do that by first managing our own operations in a socially responsible way, and also using our scale, our global footprint, and our leadership position in the semiconductor industry to influence others to act the same way.
The electronics industry needs to look at its environmental footprint holistically, starting with co-locating data centers closer to renewable sources of energy, to designing chips with low-power techniques, and to look at energy efficiency of the entire electronic system. Also, there are new material technologies as well as transistor technologies that can help with energy efficiency, and also latest advancements in quantum compute and silicon photonics. We have a two-pronged strategy to address energy efficiency and sustainability. The first part is to enable our customers who are designing the most advanced electronic systems with energy efficiency throughout their design process, starting from software to silicon. Our end-to-end solution for low power and energy efficient design has already helped customers achieve 25 to 50% gains in energy efficiency.
So the second part of our two-pronged strategy is how Synopsys is addressing its own operational impact. Now, not only have we been carbon neutral for many years, but we just updated our emissions reduction targets to be in line with climate science and to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees. And it's really exciting, and it requires employees around the whole globe to help in delivering on that commitment. And not only that, we're actually asking our suppliers and vendors to do their part in reducing emissions if they want to work with us. And I think it's this feeling of obligation to always be doing the right thing that leads us to being a company that really cares about its people, the environment, and the communities in which we work.
Our number one asset in this company is our employees, and creating an environment where the employees can innovate and have full inclusion is so important to us, because without that, we won't be the great company that we are. We've got employee resource groups, ERGs, across the globe. That allows our employees to join in organizations where they can foster innovation and growth and build community. Finally, creating an environment where we're really focused on training and development and continuous learning, and that's a big investment we have.
It's amazing working for a company where giving back to the community has been embedded in the culture since day one. Through our social impact pillars, employees volunteer around the world, they give back in local campaigns at their offices, and employee donations and volunteer time are matched 1-for-1. The Synopsys Foundation donates to its focus areas of STEM education, basic community needs, mitigating climate change. All this is wrapped up into what we call Synopsys for Good, which is helping to drive a smart future.
Being a leading global technology company with a central position in the semiconductor industry brings enormous opportunities and also important responsibilities. I feel proud and inspired by the actions that Synopsys is taking to use our talent and resources to create a smart future that is sustainable, just, and secure. And we're doing this by working together as one Synopsys and also with our customers, partners, and our broad ecosystem to change the world.